For this, just simply open up mining. Then the first card is you need to open up the specials. In specials, click on new cards. Here you will get this Hamster Kombat merge. It was recently launched. Simply click on go ahead and boom, this is the first one. Now we need to find two more, and for that we will just simply get to markets, and when we scroll down we will be able to find the DeFi 2.0 tokens. Now we need to get CEO level 2 in order to open it up. So we will simply go to PR team. Maybe here is the CEO. We need to upgrade it to level 2 in order to unlock that. Now let's get back to markets, and here DeFi 2.0 tokens is unlocked. Simply click on it, and this is the second card. Now let's check the third card, and third card is P2P trading, and it is in the markets. When you go down you will be able to find P2P trading, but we need KYC level 7 in order to open it up. So KYC must be in legals, and here it is. So we need to click on KYC, upgrade it to level 7 in order to unlock that. Now it must be unlocked, so let's check it up. So it is unlocked. Click on P2P trading and click on go ahead, and boom, we got the 5 million coins. Just click on take the price, and why not, because it is all yours to take. Simply close it up, and let me show once again the 3 cards for today. These are the 3 cards. The first one is Hamster Kombat merge, second one is DeFi 2.0 tokens, and the third one is P2P trading. So here you go. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more such helpful videos related to crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to smash that like button. See you in the next video.